myself Ashok Dhingra. I am going to deliver a lecture on chemistry and my topic is hydrocarbons. My topic is hydrocarbon. The term hydrocarbon is derived with help of two terms. First one is hydrogen and second one is the carbon. So we can see here that the term hydrocarbon is made up of hydrogen and carbon. So if we define the term hydrocarbon, we can say the compound of hydrogen and carbon are known as hydrocarbon. Simply, and if we can try to explain it in other words, then we can say these are the hydrocarbons are the organic compound. So these are the simplest organic compounds which are made up of along with the help of hydrogen and carbon. In other words, these are simplest organic compound of hydrogen and carbon are known as hydrocarbons. For example, if we discuss about the example of hydrocarbon, we have first example, that is CH4, which is known as methane. And another example is ethane, whose formula is C2H6. In these examples, we can see that it is made up of carbon and hydrogen, that is methane, and ethane is also made up of carbon and hydrogen. So these are the compound of hydrogen and carbon. So we can say that the hydrocarbons are a compound of hydrogen and carbon. Here we are going to discuss about now the classification of hydrocarbon. How these hydrocarbon is classified. First of all, we discuss about the classification of hydrocarbon on the basis of structure of hydrocarbon. Classification of hydrocarbon on the basis of structure of hydrocarbon. They are classified into two categories. These categories are acyclic hydrocarbon and another is cyclic hydrocarbon. These are also known as open chain hydrocarbon, or we can say open chain hydrocarbon, and this cyclic hydrocarbon is known as closed packed hydrocarbon. Now this acyclic hydrocarbon and cyclic hydrocarbon is further classified into categories. This acyclic hydrocarbon is divided into two categories, that is unsaturated hydrocarbon. And second is saturated hydrocarbon. Here we will understand that what is acyclic hydrocarbon or open chain hydrocarbon or unsaturated hydrocarbon or saturated hydrocarbon. First of all, we discuss about the open chain structure or open chain या acyclic hydrocarbon are those hydrocarbon whose structure is straight, not in cyclic pattern, but they are open chain open. For example, ethane C2 CH3 CH3. In this example, it is known as ethane. We see that the structure of the hydrocarbon is like a straight line, or we can say open chain or acyclic, not a cyclic compound. And this acyclic compound is divided into unsaturated hydrocarbon and saturated hydrocarbon. That means here term is saturated and unsaturated. Means what? The valency of carbon in these hydrocarbons is not satisfied by all the hydrogen, but its valency is covered by with the help of double bond or triple bond. For example, if we understand the valency of carbon, it has four valency. But it is satisfied by, if its valency is satisfied by double bond or carbon triple bond, then these compounds are known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. If the valency of this carbon is satisfied only sigma bond or all different hydrogen, then it is known as saturated hydrocarbon. In simple line, we can say that unsaturated hydrocarbon have double bond or triple bond, while in saturated hydrocarbon only single bond is present in between the carbon and hydrogen or carbon and carbon. While in case of cyclic hydrocarbon, the cyclic hydrocarbon are further classified into two categories. First one is that alicyclic hydrocarbon, and another is aromatic hydrocarbon. The term alicyclic means these are cyclic compounds, but they are not aromatic. While aromatic are also cyclic, but they are aromatic in nature. The term aromatic is explained with the help of Haeckel rule. For example, there are three types: cycloalkane, cycloalkene, and cycloalkyne. While in case of aromatic compound, we will discuss it on upper side. Aromatic compound are two types. First is benzenoid, and another is non-benzenoid. So it is the classification of hydrocarbon. Here we discuss about the hydrocarbon and its classification on the basis of structure of hydrocarbon.